Welcome back again guys for another video tutorial for our practice problem sa integral calculus. So today, our problem still involves about substitution method, okay? So our problem will be x dx over 4x squared minus, actually this is 4x raised to 4. Let me erase it. This is 4. Yan. 4x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus 1. Okay? So, sa solution natin, we cannot directly make a substitution first because we need to simplify this one, our denominator. We can factor this out. Itong 4x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus 1 is simply equal to 2x minus 1 and then 2x plus 1. No, that's not. This is negative 1 lang. Negative 1 both. My bad. This is negative 1 both. Yeah. Because if you try to distribute this one, oops, I also forgot that there's squared here because our leading term is naka-raise of 4. So if you try to multiply this back or distribute, this will become 4x raised to 4, negative 2x squared, negative 2x squared, and then positive 1. Right? If you try to combine or simplify, this will be equal to this one. Or we can also write that as 2x squared minus 1 raised to 2. Okay, equal lang sila, diba? Ganyan. So after, i-rewrite natin siya as x dx over quantity 2x squared minus 1 raised to 2. Right? Notice that pwede na mag-substitution, diba? So sino yung ilalat natin as u? Basically, yung denominator. But, yung loob ng term lang, natong 2x squared minus 1. So let u equals 2x squared minus 1. Differentiate. Du is equal to 4x dx. Notice that our x dx, there's no constant term here. So to solve for x dx, we just need to divide both sides by 4. So that our x dx is equal to du over 4. Okay? Next is, i-rewrite mo siya in terms of u lahat. So, magiging integral, our x dx is equal to du over 4 over 2x squared is equal to u, and naka-raise to 2, so that will become u squared. And then, I can write this as, I can put the constant before the integral, which is 1/4. And then integral of du over u squared. After, we need to put this up para maging negative exponent. So, maging 1/4 integral of u raised to negative 2 du. So, next is simplify na siya, diba? We just need to apply power rule of integration. So, maging 1/4 times u raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. Simplify. Negative 2 plus 1 is equal to negative 1. So this will become u raised to negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. So we have a negative here times 4. So magiging negative 1/4. And then for our u raised to negative 1, if you put this again into positive exponent, so we just need to bring it down. So magiging negative 1 over 4u and then plus c. And lastly, kailangan natin ibalik si u in terms of x, which is equal to 2x squared minus 1. So therefore, our final answer will be negative 1 over 4 times, that is 2x squared minus 1 plus c. We can also distribute this 4 sa each term, but we can have this as our final answer. That's it. Hopefully may natutunan kayo and nag-gets nyo yung problem for this video. That's all. Thank you.